I'm from Bosnia, take me to America. I really want to see Statue of Liberty. I can no longer wait, take me to United States. Take me to Golden Gate, I will assimilate.
Good morning, y'all, it's Logan. Well, I've got a lot of requests from my friends overseas in Bosnia to record some of my life, what I do every day. So it's really early in the morning, it's about 8 o'clock, and we're about to go around town, show you my everyday life, my everyday routine. Please enjoy. There's really not much difference between America and the rest of the world. It really is a beautiful country. It's a country of the opportunity. If you're willing, you can. No doubt about it. We're here now. I gotta get some money for the start of the day. Anyway, they think I'm an old man who works here, who bangs here. They don't know my real name, so we're just gonna keep it that way.
Hello.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi, can I get some money out of my bank account?
Do you have a checking or a savings?
I have a money market.
Oh, money market? Okay, do you have any checks for that account?
No.
Okay. I'll go ahead, you can go ahead and withdraw money.
Okay. How do I do that?
Alright, I'm going to send you out a money market withdrawal slip and you'll fill it out.
But I have a bad case of a carpal tunnel. I can't really write.
Okay.
Can I give you my name just?
I can look it up off your driver's license.
Okay.
And then I can fill out the slip for you, but you still have to sign it.
But if I don't have a driver's license.
After a long and strenuous battle with the service associate at the bank, I've gotten a little tired, so I decided to go back home and show you guys something else.
Hello?
I really want to show you over here where I live in the United States. Most commonly in Bosnia, you know, in order to protect your house and stuff like that, you have a rabid dog, you know, chained next to your house. But here in the United States, we have actually what's referred to as shark tanks. This is my little kingdom away. It's my backyard. I have a little Coke machine over here. Yeah, nice for little guests when they come in. This shark tank actually comes with like little sharks when they're born as babies, and you actually surgically implant little lasers on top of their heads. And it's actually pretty cool. They have these psychic powers where when a robber comes into your house, they actually just talk to him psychically, and the robber comes next to the tank and they just eat him really quick. It's pretty perfect, you know. And since sharks are carnivores, they'll just eat the whole thing. You know, there's no problem with the police. Totally legal in the United States. Everyone has one of these. So if you're in Bosnia watching this, anywhere in the world, the Balkans, know that in America we have shark tanks and stuff like that. It is just amazing stuff. Thank you.